Balls.
That's right, and these are the most satisfying, crispy and chewy, low-carb, sugar-free
Balls.
Preheat the oven to 180.
Hot.
In a bowl, add 1 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 dessertspoon of sesame seeds, and a pinch of salt.
Pinch.
1/3 cup of maple syrup or honey, 1/3 cup of tahini. Mix it all together by hand.
Hand.
Add 1 3/4 cups of almond flour. Mix it all up. Roll them into small
balls.
Very good. Then roll them in some more sesame seeds and onto your baking paper on a baking sheet. Pop them into the oven for about 12 minutes. Brown, but still soft.
Soft balls.
As they cool, they'll become crisp and tasty.
Balls. Balls.
Balls.
I don't feel like the full range of my talents are being represented here.
Contractual obligation, like with Dick.
Dick. Balls.